Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes.
Today we're making these easy tiramisu truffles. Mix 500 grams of crushed sponge finger biscuits with 2/3 of a cup of mascarpone, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 1 tablespoon of masala. Roll the mixture into small balls about 1 tablespoon in size. Make sure your hands are damp so that the mix is easy to roll. This recipe makes about 24 truffles. Chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Using a toothpick or a fork, dip the balls one at a time into 300 grams of melted white chocolate and allow the excess chocolate to drain. Place the balls on a plate to firm up before dusting with 1 teaspoon of Dutch cocoa. Enjoy!
For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.